everybody, welcome back to Tomcat Air Guns. Today I want to show you a brand new product just released from Accu-Tac bipods. But before I do, I want to remind you I'm on Airgun 101, and you can check out all my videos on Airgun 101 first before they hit YouTube later on. Also, I'm on Facebook and Instagram, so you can hit me up over there, and I'm also on Airgun Nation. So head on over to Airgun Nation, join the conversation. So Accu-Tac bipod has finally come out with leg extensions for their bipods, and I haven't even opened them yet, so this is brand new to me. I can't wait to just check them out. These are the Accu-Tac leg extensions. They are just a round tube design, and I can already tell how they work. They just screw right in, so let's get them mounted up. You take your feet off, screw on your leg extension, and that's nice. As I'm screwing this on, I'm noticing there's a little sleeve that this little post for the foot slides into, and that's going to give you a little more stability for the torsional stability, I guess they call. So now I've got quite a long bipod already, like so. It's going to give me quite a bit of distance, but let's say I want to go even higher. These are also stackable. All right, now we're talking. This is more of a kneeling height or a sitting height. That's going to be very useful to a lot of people that love their Accu-Tac bipods, but have always been wanting some type of way to use them where they can sit up higher. It's always been a weak spot in the Accu-Tac lineup, in my opinion, that they had no way to do this. Well, now they do. So I snug these up by hand, and I'm looking for any kind of wiggle. The only wiggle I've got is actually in the leg extension itself. Other than that, they are totally solid. They screw in really nice, and let's see, got some flex in here. So it's about the amount of flex you would expect from a metal rod. So not much at all. So I'm going to mount the other one up, and then I'll head outside and see how I like them. All right, so now I've got this crazy looking rifle, and we'll see how we do for kneeling and sitting. Let's put them at 45 and see how that does for a nice little seated shot. And that is nice. Maybe get a little more height out of it here. Yep, even better. And now if you need even more height, let's go up to a kneeling where I'm a little bit higher. And now I'm kind of snugged in and pointed down. Now I can use my extensions and get just a little bit more. And that made a pretty good difference downrange. So if you need even more height, I would say just keep stacking them. One thing this will illustrate though, and this gun's safe, there's no bullets in the area, it's been checked. But one thing this does illustrate is the flex in the system. While it's very minute with a small leg, the longer these extensions go out, the more you're going to be able to see that flex. And I've got just a hint up in here at the pivot point, and then I have a little bit more flex built in where this leg extension comes out. And you can see that flex only moving about, I'd say 3/4 of an inch, maybe an inch. Bring my leg extension in, and really it's about the same. Not that much difference at all. And a lot of that is coming, believe it or not, from the leg extension itself. So, oh, and that's another thing. These legs have weight to them because they're built really well. I mean, strong, I forget, 5056 aluminum. But they're made stout and they're made strong. So you're going to put a lot more stress on your bipod if you run into something with these. So you want to be careful if you have them on because they're all over the place. But I've tested the strength of these bipods, and they are super, super strong. So I think the weak point is probably going to be in the legs somewhere, not in the bipod. All right, so let's say I come up upon a ledge and I want to lean into my rifle. I can I can do that, but it may not be the best option. Or let's say I was shooting barricade. I can make my shot that much harder by using my leg extensions. All right, guys, pros and cons time, and time for my review. It's about time, Accu-Tac. I saw this as kind of a weak spot probably a year or two ago, and I was like, why don't they just make some leg extensions? It'd be so great. I'm glad they finally came out with them. I'm really happy about that. Made out of the same metal they're making their bipods out of, so you know it's strong and you know it's going to last you as long as you need it to. What else can I say about them? I mean, they're leg extensions. They're just sticks. I do like that they come apart into two pieces and then they're not just one long rod. That just gives you another option to use them, and it also allows you to stow them in a backpack or in a pocket or whatever, and they don't take up as much room. Now, if you want to be quiet, they're not going to be quiet rattling around in there, so just be aware of that. And I do like that all of the feet, the feet accessories like this claw thing, I mean, they just screw right on. That's awesome. And you can, whatever you need to do with that. And they did make some special thing, or now you need an adapter to use the foot. It's just real easy, real simple to understand, and you're done. So if you need extensions, check out Accu-Tac, check out their bipods, check out their accessories, and if you already have one but you just wish you could kneel or sit, check out their leg extensions. That's all I got for you today, guys. Hope you enjoyed this review. As always, thanks for watching and happy shooting.